The war in Gaza has rewritten the rules of learning, of healing, and of growing up. What was once a campus filled with ambition and dreams now lies silent, buried beneath ash and debris. Among those who lost their classrooms here is Iman Ayad, a medical student who became a doctor in the heart of a war zone. She once studied at the Islamic University, Gaza's cradle of intellect and aspiration, until Israeli airstrikes turned it into dust and memories. But even without walls and without books, Iman's education continued inside Gaza's shattered hospitals, where every corridor became a classroom and every wounded body a lesson.
I get more experience. I can deal with 10 patients in one day or more. I go to the surgery and I am second surgeon. So that's something exciting for me. That's something the war make me like more powerful, more experienced.
In the morning, Iman would sit for her final exams. By afternoon, she would wear her white coat, not as a student, but as a healer stepping into a Shifa hospital, Gaza's largest and most burdened. Inside, the war never stopped. With senior doctors killed, displaced, or exhausted beyond measure, young students like Iman stood to defend against the relentless tide of death.
We had a new 4 generations of doctors who are already now working as colleagues, helping us, treating our patients with the overwhelmed hospitals, overwhelmed staff here.
According to Gaza's Ministry of Health, more than 1,700 healthcare workers have been killed since October the 7th, 2023. They include doctors, nurses, paramedics, and students whose futures ended before their studies did. Amid Gaza's collapsing health system, medical students have become frontline healers, learning medicine not from books, but from the wounded before them. Those who once traced anatomy in textbooks now learn from those they tend to. They are Gaza's young healers born in despair, forged in courage, and driven by hope that the war cannot erase. Tareq Azzoum, Jazeera, Deir al-Balah, Palestine.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.